Hi, welcome to Metropolis Popcorn. We make over 50 different flavors of popcorn, from cheese to caramel to chocolates and everything in between. We use only Ohio-grown popcorn. Our kernels come from about an hour away, so it's literally just an hour from the farm fields of Ohio to our shop here, where you can enjoy the flavors that we make. Everything that we make is popped here fresh on a regular basis for you to enjoy. We offer retail sales as well as wholesale, fundraising, corporate gifts, and we also cater for special events. REDfish Promotions has been a great company to partner with. They made these t-shirts for us. I have t-shirts for all of my employees. The reason I chose REDfish is, first of all, I believe in supporting local business. Second of all, they have very competitive pricing, top-notch service, and real quick turnaround, and just a great overall quality product and customer service experience. So highly recommend REDfish for any of your promotional or uniform needs.